Okay, so we have fried yet another one of these switches, and we're getting quite a pile of these things. This one fried right here, and this one fried here. So that's interesting. But I put a new one in here, and this is the mechanism here. It appears as if the float is working properly, and I've looked all through the line here, and I don't really see anything to indicate any kind of problem. Anyway, I could sure use some help figuring this one out. If you can, thanks.